Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use easy Japanese that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running. So in here, search in easy Japanese. So here it is. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you will see once you have installed this app. So hiragana, katakana, and then you'll be able to practice writing, choose your language, and so on. Alright, let's install it, and while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that the main features available: learn Japanese online with various levels, learn Japanese conversations with video lessons, support the transcript vocabulary of the audio video, learn hiragana, katakana, and kanji, practice writing Japanese kanji, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it and choose our language or your language, so English. And alright, so here it is. So grammar lesson starting from I'm Anna. So this is a conversation between Anna and a Japanese. So the key phrase is watashi wa Anna desu. So hajimemashite Anna desu. And then tap this one to listen to the conversation. So grammar tips, A wa B san desu, and then T to us. So you'll be able to know how to use it properly, since it has a guiding system here. Then sound words there, tap this to listen there. So if you notice, there's animation in here, and you really like it. So in here you'll be able to see the videos or the conversation lessons. This one is syllabary, where you can see the hiragana and katakana. So beginner level, you should memorize this. Tap it. Right, it's not going to. Right, hiragana and katakana. And then let's go to write kana. So there, the step 1, and then you'll be able to see the animation. So there, that's how you write it. Su, te. So the first stroke is going to be like that, and so on. And in menu, you will be able to see the drawing. So here, where you can practice writing, like for example, this is u, and then you can erase it, and you can add a color like green, and then change there, it's now bigger. So let's try E. So that's E, and so on. So review is where you can review this, share, email to feedback, about, and so on. So let's go back to home page and try to scroll down, look for the things that we want to, like for example, so this one, like this one, I'm lost. So let's say a scenario where we are in Japan and we are lost. So just tap this one here, and you'll be able to use this. So the key phrase is Michi ni mayotte shimaimashita. So there, if you see the overview, there's a scenario. Anna visited this bookstore with Sakura and Rodrigo. After they left the store, Anna has lost sight of the two. So the scripts that you can use. So moshi moshi. So Anna phoned someone, and then Sakura answered. So tasukite. Oh, it's Sakura was lost. So tasukite kudasai. Michi ni mayotte shimaimashita. So the one was calling is Sakura, and Anna is the one's answering. So Sakura, ima doko? Where are you right now? So just tap this to listen to the conversation, and then below you will see the grammar tips on how to use this shimaimashita. So there, teacher, and then you will have this explanation on how the sentence was used. Sound words there, just tap this to listen, and so on. So it's really easy to use, and I highly suggest this because if you notice, it's really clean, and it has a wonderful animation where you can easily learn Japanese. So just select a particular topic and use it to communicate with the Japanese people. So this one here at the restaurants, so understood by the taxi, if you're going to the doctor, the hospital, and so on. So there's really a lot. And this one here, thank you so much for everything. Lesson 48. The key phrase is iro sewa ni narimashita. So there, so someone is leaving now and they want to thank the person who cared for them. So that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.